In this video, we're going to talk about heal financially in 2021. You definitely want to watch the entire video because I'm going to break down some simple steps which you can use and something you can sign up today after this video. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to this video today. And this is the place to grow your brand and grow your bank account each and every single day. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what the good news is all about. And this is called Heal Financially, the financial foundation for you in 2021. Because you clicked on this video because you want to learn what is all about this financial freedom foundation that I've been hearing about or I've been wanting. And right below this video, I have access to the course that can change your life. Click on the link below to get signed up and get started with this foundation in 2021. This is actually the course outline that I'm showing you right now. Now, what you're going to get today, when you sign up, you're going to get all this. You're going to get the 6-minute video from Stephen Munson, the CEO of Discover Heal, and he talks about financial foundation to be rich because it's all about your mindset as well. Then you're going to get the goal setting and vision board and time blocking. This right here really changed things for me in terms of my time management and the things I want to accomplish because I have a vision for me right now. So you want to watch this video as well. Oh man, I'm just so excited right now. I want to play a little bit of it, but I want you to go ahead and click on the link below so you can get access to this right now. Then you're going to get the giving, seeding, and contribution. It's always good to give because the more you give, the more you receive. And in this video here, about 9 minutes long, Stephen Munson talks about the foundation, the fundamentals of giving back. Because when you give and seed contribution, great things happens to you. So you get all this. You thought I was done, right? You get a lot more than that. After you get done with those 3 videos, that training there, you move on to the financial fitness. Now, I just worked out about an hour ago, and I feel really good because I feel financial fit. And that's what I want you to feel as well. Financial fit, not just financially fit in terms of your fitness, but financial in your bank account as well. Your mind and in your bank account. So you want to watch this video as well. Then traffic for constant cash flow. You know, you hear about traffic to your website, and here in Heal, we definitely help you with that as well. But Stephen talks about the foundation of traffic and why you need constant cash flow in your business. Because without traffic, you really don't have much of a business when it comes to online marketing business. And then right here to conversions to capitalization or conversion to capitalize, converting kit, you're going to get this. Now, this video here really opened my eyes up a little bit because you want to convert your actually customers or your prospects to customers. And in this video here, you learn more about converting things on an everyday basis. Now, you want to pay attention to this video or all the video training. Get a piece of paper and a pen and make sure you follow along as well. Now, right now, you go to the next one. And see what I mean? This course is unbelievable. I'm telling you, you should get this right now. Click on the link below. Stay with me. Don't click now. Click after this video right now. Now, financial future. Now, this is a credit. How about your credit history, your credit report? You want to go ahead and really, really dive into this right here because if you have a low credit score and you're looking for like steps and pieces and a roadmap to be able to get there, you want to watch this because it's 13 minutes long. And what happens is when your credit is good, something feels good about yourself. I remember when I had an extremely low credit score and I felt depressed and down on myself a lot. And then when I start working on my credit score, I start feeling about my financial future. I felt better about my financial future. So you want to watch this video as well if you're having problems with your credit score. Even if you have a 600 or 700, definitely watch this as well. Now, this part here is all about the future. Assets, what you should be really getting every day, all the time, allocations and investments. Now, this right here is so important for the future. I don't care what age you are. I don't care what you're doing right now. I don't care if you're working a full-time job. I don't care if you're a full-time student. You need to pay attention to this 39-minute video. stock exchange, assets, allocation, investments. If you don't have any investments, watch this video. If you do have an investment, watch this video. When I watched this, I really, really start to really understand my financial future even higher. And when I watched this, I took my notes down. I shared it with a friend. Even my friend was saying, dang, I need to watch this video again. So definitely pay attention to this video. This course and training is all about your heal financially in 2021 and beyond. Not just in 2021. We want financial fit, financial future, and beyond as well. And the last one here is keys to your legacy. What's your legacy gonna look like? And all these videos, at least most of them, does have a PDF to somewhere you can download. If you have a tablet or if you have your desktop right now, you definitely want to download the information in each and every single video if it has an area, because like right here, it does have a PDF, so you download that as well. Now, keys to your legacy is really important as well, is because what do you want your legacy to look like? What financial steps you want to make sure that legacy is intact? Do you have a family? Do you have kids? Are you married? Do you have, people you take care of in the household? Are you the head of the household? Or if you're single and you just want to be able to live that no-pad lifestyle, what type of future and legacy you want to leave or you want to have? You want to watch this video? We want to watch all the videos because you want to understand that having a legacy, what type of legacy you want to have. I don't know about you. I want to have a very healthy, financially and happy legacy. I want to leave a really good legacy, and I want to help other people to reach their legacy like you yourself. Because you're watching this video and you want to be financial fit and you want to click on the link below to get started. Oh my goodness, it's an unbelievable opportunity. Check it out. Go ahead and sign up with this as well. You get this Heal Financially course right now. So I'm back to the main screen here. I'm excited. I'm actually going to get ready to take the course again right after this video because I want to go back and look at that last part, the keys to your legacy. I want to go back and watch that. So I'm going to go watch it. Are you going to take advantage of this? Because I'm about to go do right now because I want a strong legacy, even though I watched it twice. But I want you to watch it for the first time for you today. I know you might be busy. You may not be wondering. You may be wondering, what is Heal Financially? The only way you know, or the only way you can take advantage is taking the step right now. And you don't really know. You gotta believe in yourself. Click on the link below to get started. So leave some notes in the comments if you have any questions. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more up-to-dates to grow your brand and grow your bank account. But today, we're talking about Heal Financially in 2021 and beyond. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the link below because I want you to be healed financially in 2021 and beyond. I'm Adam Shelton. I'll see you on the next video.